Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio LF30W. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: a day, month, date, and then hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get to that view after the high pitch or high tune beeping sound. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. Okay, and now the second is flashing or blinking. And then you can press the search button to reset the second. So if it is 30 or more, like this, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like that one. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the daylight saving. If you want to turn on the daylight saving, just press the search button. And if you want to turn off, also the same button. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the city. For this one, you can use two buttons. The search button will move to the right side of the map or to the east side. And then this one, the light button, will move to the west or the left side of the map, like this. And since I live in Central Java, Indonesia, then the time zone is the same as this one, PKK. Okay, now press the mode button and we are now setting the hour. Then for the hour, you can use these two buttons. So the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, now press the mode button and now is the minute. You can also use these two buttons. The light will decrease and search will increase. Okay, next, mode button, and now is the time format. You can use the search button to change. So this one is 12-hour format, so 10 p.m. And this one is the 24-hour format. Okay, next, press the mode button and now is the year. Also these two buttons, so the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Press again the mode button and now is the month. Light button will decrease and search button will increase. Press again the mode button and now is the date. Also the light button to decrease and search button to increase. And then press again. Now is the length of the backlight. 1 meaning 1.5 and press the search button. 3 meaning 3 seconds. Okay, so for this video I will just choose 3. Okay, and then if you press the mode button again, it will return to the setting for the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button and done. You have set the basic settings for this watch, Casio LF30W. I will also make the more detailed tutorials, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the channel. Have a great day.